LG AC blowing warm air? Here's what to do first. Your LG AC is blowing warm air usually due to simple issues like a dirty air filter, wrong thermostat settings, or a tripped breaker, but it can also signal serious problems like low refrigerant, indicating a leak, a faulty compressor, or frozen evaporator coils, all of which need attention to restore cooling. Start by checking settings, cleaning the filter, and resetting the breaker, but call a technician for low refrigerant or compressor issues. Simple fixes: do it yourself. Check thermostat settings. Ensure it's set to cool and the temperature is lower than the room's current temperature. Clean, replace air filter. A clogged filter restricts airflow, preventing cooling. Reset circuit breaker. A tripped breaker can cut power to the outdoor unit. Clear outdoor unit. Make sure nothing is blocking the condenser unit, bushes, dirt. Potential professional fixes: low refrigerant, leaks. Refrigerant absorbs heat. Low levels mean poor cooling and usually a leak that needs fixing and recharging. Frozen evaporator coils. Ice buildup blocks airflow. This can be from dirty coils or low refrigerant. Dirty condenser or evaporator coils. Dust prevents proper heat exchange. Faulty compressor. The heart of the system. If it fails, the AC won't cool. Electrical issues. Bad capacitors or wiring can stop the system from running. When to call a professional: if the simple fixes don't work, or if you suspect a leak or compressor problem, contact an HVAC technician. They can diagnose and fix issues like refrigerant leaks, compressor failures, and electrical faults safely and effectively, notes this Just Answer page.